Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to check serial number on this device. So for this operation you have two different methods. The first one, you just open a phone application, open keypad and enter the secret code, which is *#06#. Here you can see like your serial number here at the bottom. And the second method, you open settings, go to the about phone section, then go detailed info and specs, go to status and then to model, and here you can find your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.